If OneDrive is showing error code 0X8004E4A2, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix you can try at home, even if you're not very technical. We'll start with the easiest checks first, then move into a OneDrive reset if needed, and finish with a couple of network-related fixes that often solve the problem. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, restart your PC. This sounds basic, but a full restart can clear temporary glitches that stop OneDrive from connecting properly. After your computer boots back up, give OneDrive another try and see if the error is gone. Next, check your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to sign in and sync correctly. Open a browser and visit a few websites to make sure your internet is working normally. If pages are loading slowly or not loading at all, restart your router or switch to another network before moving on. Now open Microsoft OneDrive in a browser. You can go to the OneDrive website and sign in with the same account you use on your PC. This helps you confirm whether the problem is only on the desktop app or whether it also affects your account online. If you can sign in normally in the browser, that's a good sign that your account itself is fine and the issue may be with the local app or sync service. If the error still appears, go to the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. This is usually near the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click the cloud icon, then click the gear icon to open settings and choose Pause Syncing. Select 2 hours. After that, wait a few seconds, then resume syncing again. This quick pause and resume step can refresh the sync connection and clear temporary authentication issues. If OneDrive is still not working, the next step is to reset it. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then paste this command exactly, /program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. After that, press enter. OneDrive may disappear for a moment, and that is normal. Wait 1 to 2 minutes so the reset can finish in the background. After the reset, open the Start menu and search for OneDrive. Launch the app again. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're back in, let OneDrive sync for a moment and check whether the error code 0X8004E4A2 is gone. If you still see the issue, there are a few more things to check. Disable any VPN or proxy you might be using because these can interfere with OneDrive's connection to Microsoft servers. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try signing in again. You should also make sure your firewall or security software isn't blocking OneDrive. In some cases, the problem can also be caused by a bad sign-in session or a network restriction, so testing on a different internet connection can help too. If you're on a work or school network, your organization may have policies that affect OneDrive access. So to recap, the best fix for error code 0X8004E4A2 on OneDrive is to restart your PC, verify your connection, test OneDrive in a browser, pause and resume syncing, reset OneDrive using the run command, and then check VPN or proxy settings if needed. One of those steps usually gets OneDrive working again. If this video helped you fix the error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows and OneDrive tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.